LIVER.2 Acupuncture point, also known as Xingjian in Chinese, and in English it is translated as walk between. Energetic nature of this point is that it is a fire point, yin spring point, and a sedation point. The meridian arrives at this point after passing between the toes and before continuing between the metatarsals, hence its name. This point helps move chi and stagnation and is an important point for walking physically and emotionally. Continual repression of the emotions, in particular anger, will manifest as frustration, irritability, stagnation of chi and blood, depression, sadness. The liver is the journal and is by nature decisive, clear thinking, and courageous. Indecision and fear thwart its natural movement. As the fire point, walk between can also be used to tonify the liver when there is deficient fire and yang. There is a natural assertion about the nature of wood when in balance, and if someone has become very cold or lacking in yang, is unable to maintain their own boundaries, become timid, anxious, fearful, and gets pushed off their own course by accommodating others. This point can help restore vitality, warmth, self-confidence. When a person is dispirited, beaten down and not reaching their potential or expressing who they are, this point can help move through weedy frustration to new growth. Sufficient blood and a smooth flow of chi enable clear communication between the hun and the shen, so the hun will not be disturbed at night, and by the day the person will operate with intelligence. The liver pathway travels through the brain. The illumination, purifying, and maturity that the fire point on the liver meridian can impart can be assessed here to calm the spirit and help wood maintain its appropriate movement. This point regulates the liver and is often used to disperse the liver in situations of excess. As a distal point, this point will affect the head, and given that heat to which the liver with its uprising impulse and continual assertion is prone rises, this is the point with which to clear liver heat from the head and body. It clears liver fire, subdues liver yang, and calms interior wind, which can arise when either of the former become intense. Being the fire point and a yin spring point, it clears fire and can be used when there is bitter taste, thirst, a red face, headaches, dream disturbed heat, scanty dark urine, constipation, red eyes, a red tongue with thick yellow coating, and a rapid wiry pulse. Migraine, violent upsurging of anger, hypertension, epilepsy, wind stroke, children's convulsions, or confusion from interior wind. Use this point when there is liver and heart fire together, causing disturbed sleep, anxiety, palpitations, hypertension, and night sweats, and when the person is easily frustrated or agitated. For cough caused by liver fire, accompanied by pain, swelling, and fullness below the ribs, and feeling unable to turn the body, the Ki cycle relationship between the wood and earth element is vital to the smooth functioning of the middle warmer. When working well together, you get the right mix of process and action, empathy, and decisiveness. If there is imbalance here with heat from stagnation leading to liver or stomach fire, extreme worry or frustration causing stagnation, and then heat, bad breath, headache, worry, and irascibility, florid behavior, and dreams can manifest. In this situation, liver-2 can clear heat. The indications of liver-2 point is that it calms the spirit, clears liver fire, red eyes, anger, headaches, disturbed sleep, hypertension, regulates the liver, distension, hypochondriac pain, genital pain, frustration, subdues liver yang, migraine, insomnia, cools blood, abnormal uterine bleeding, excessive menstruation due to heat in the blood, regulates the blood, subdues interior wind, epilepsy, children's convulsions, transform damp heat, especially in the lower warmer, lower abdominal pain, urinary retention, vaginal discharges, cystitis, genital itching.